Yo, what is going on, my guys? It's your boys here back on this video. This video we are going to show you how to make a channel art. Sorry, this is not for console, or this is for PC only. I'm sorry, console player. Step number one is just to go to this website called Pixlr.com/X, and then down here it says create new. You're gonna go down here to name. So right now I'm gonna make Mystic a channel art. So I'm gonna say Mystic's channel art, and I have to go check the width and height. So I'll go to YouTube. And then I have to go to my channel. And then so here, look here, my channel art, and then I'm gonna go up here to nice camera. It says recommended channel art size 2560. I'm gonna put 2560 by 1440. You want to add a background. So Mystic says that he wants a purple background. Oh yeah, perfect. And then what you want to do here is you want to add text. So you want to go down here to the plus sign right here. Pressing it, you want to press add text. So you want to add like a custom font for your text. Like for your text here. So what you want to go do is you want to go here to 3D search. Go down here to the font. And you want to go find the font that you want. This one looks like a pretty good font. I'm gonna go press download. Press show on folder. Press here to extract here. There you go. And then here you see it, these two files. So after that, what you want to go do is you want to go down to here. You want to go to control panel. You're going to go to appearance and personalization. I don't even know what to say. Alright, and then go here to fonts right here. You know, press on that, and then what you want to go do is go back to your folder. Is you want to drag the fonts that you have right there, and then you go right there. There we go. Now it has installed the font. This right here is Booba. If I can find it, Booba. Oh yeah, here, Booba. And then press X. And go back to Pixlr thing. And we go to font right here and look for Booba. Okay, so I found out the problem. But what you guys want to do is we're gonna go to text right here. You want to go to font, and you want to press add local font. So you want to go to downloads, you want to go where you found it, and you want to pick the font, and that should work for me. It works. Booba, right here, Booba demo. Alright, so let me see. Yeah, Booba. Text Mystic, color black. Okay, yeah, so I just realized that the words are not white. Okay, guys, so I just realized that this was a mistake, and the words are like transparent. So I'm gonna pick a different font from just here, and I'm gonna pick one that's like that's pretty clean. Alright, boys, so I found a really good clean font for Mystic right here. And right there, that's a clean text right there. Let me see if I can like add some stuff to it. Let me see. Outline. No. I don't know. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna add a shadow right here. Alright, there we go. Well, I'm gonna change the text to white. There we go. That looks actually pretty clean though. That's how you make a clean looking like channel art with like nothing, just your name, just clean background. That's how you do it. So yeah, so look up if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and to save your project you can go here. My bad. You can go to quality, use 100. You can go to download, and it's downloading. There you go, I see it's downloaded. Show in folder, and there you go. It is done. So I'm gonna send this to Mystic, and I'm gonna see his reaction. I don't know, yeah, like I don't know, but I'm just gonna see what he thinks about it, and yeah. So look up, you guys enjoy the video.
Damn, this shit too
and
cold, bro.
Peace.
What you doing?